September 4th, Tuesday, tummy time. Also hungry time. Fish just got to play with his friend Whiskers.
Boy, Fish. What a good boy. What a good boy.
I'm videoing some tummy time.
Oh, good. I should.
Now she fell asleep. Oh, you're awake, aren't you? Yeah? I'm so hungry, Dad. You'll eat soon.
What are you gonna, what, do you want to water something while you're gone?
Yeah, probably the closer trees.
I should do some videoing. I haven't done enough.
Yeah.
You always remember to grab it way more than I do.
I don't think I'll need it for the draft.
Probably not.
Hi, Mira. Hi. Did you get tuckered out?
Huh?
Tuck in the mirror.
Hi, baby girl. It's your mom. Hi. What do you think? You're gonna get some tummy time?
Jazz her up a bit.
Me to jazz you up? Me to jazz you up? We're gonna jazz you up. Jazz you up. Get those little feet to move and jazz you up. It's time to eat or poop. Whichever one you decide is okay. But we need to wake up just a little bit. Oh, that is very good. Look how strong you are. Arr. You're very strong. I think you're going to be a thumbsucker for sure. I think so. So what time did you eat? Like 1. It's 4? It's been like 3 hours.
Oh, she's hungry for sure.
Let's have some food.
That's the hungry face.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I'm hungry.
Okay. On the nipple. Yes, we are ready to feed you. Okay, Dad. Look how much she's moving.
Yeah.
Moving and grooving. We got the boppy and a nipple.
Dinner time for Mira
Dinner
and
time.
dinner time for Fish.
Yes, who just played with Whiskers, who's making me angry running through my flowers. I don't like it when he comes here. They tried to poop on the spirea.